Assalamualaikum. I am the student of BS Economics second semester. Today we will discuss the topic of consumer buying behavior. This is the 14th chapter of the marketing. Model of consumer behavior. Consumer make many buying decisions every day. Most large companies research consumer buying decision in great detail to answer question about what consumer buy, where they buy, how and how much they buy, when they buy and why they buy. Model of consumer behavior. Market stimuli consist of the four PCs: product, place and price, promotion. Other stimuli include major forces and events in the buy environment: economic, technological, political and cultural. Model of consumer behavior. Factor in influence consumer behavior. Market have to be understood before market strategy can be developed. People using consumer market buy goods and service for personal consumption. Consumer varied in age, income, education, taste and other factors. Cultural, social, personal, physiological buyer. We can say the following factor can influence the buying decision for buyer: cultural, social, personal, physiological. Cultural factor exert the broadcast and deepest influence on customer behavior. The marketer need to understand the role played by the buyer, culture, subculture and social class. Culture is the most basic cause of personal want and behavior. Human behavior is larger learned growing up in society. Our children learn basic value, perceptions, want and behaviors from the family and other important institutions. Subculture. Each culture contains a smaller subculture or group of people with shared value system based on common life experience and situations. Subculture include nationalities, religion, racial groups and geographic regions. Social class. Almost every social has some form of social class structure. Social classes are society relative, permanent and order division who members share stimuli, value, interest and behavior. Social class is not determined by a single factor such as income, but is measured as a combination of occupation, income, education, wealth and other variables. Social factor. A consumer behavior is influenced by social factors such as the consumer small group, family and social role and status. Group. Many small group influence a person behavior. Group that have a direct influence and to which a person belongs are called membership group. In constant, different group serve a direct face-to-face and indirect point to comparison or in reference to informing a person attitude and behavior. Reference group to which they do not belong often influence people. The importance of group influence variety across product and brand. It tend to be a stronger where the product is visible to other whom the buyer respect. Purchase of product that are bought or used privately are not much effective by group influence because neither the product nor the brand will be noticed by other. Family member can strong influence buyer behavior. The family is the most important consumer buying organization in society and it has been researched extensively. Marketers are interested in the role and influence by the husband, wife and children on purchase of different product service. For example, it can add to who this backseat consumer in sport unless illustrated of kid for attract mostly 8 to 14-year-old. We kidding ourselves when we think kids are not aware of brand, say venture brand manager, adding that even she was surprised how often parent told her that kid play a tie breaking role in deciding which car to buy. Role and status. A person belongs to many group, family, club, organization. The person position in each group can be defined in terms of both role and status. Our role consists of activity